Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of plant reproduction, specifically focusing on the ovule, the unsung hero of seed formation. The ovule, seed's starting point. If you've ever wondered how a tiny seed develops into a whole new plant, you need to understand the ovule. So, let's break it down. An ovule is the female reproductive structure in seed plants. It's the precursor to the seed and consists of three main parts: the integument, the nucellus, and the female gametophyte, also known as the embryo sac. First, we have the integument. Think of this as the ovule's protective shield, the ovule wall. It can be 1 or 2 layers thick. And crucially, it has a small opening called the micropyle. The micropyle is like a doorway. It's where the pollen tube enters to deliver sperm cells for fertilization. Next, we have the nucellus. This is the central, nutritive tissue. It's like a food reserve for the developing embryo sac. Finally, we have the female gametophyte, or embryo sac. This is where the magic happens. It contains the egg cell, which will eventually be fertilized. We also have the chalaja, the base where the nucellus and integuments connect, and the hilum, the point where the ovule attaches to the funicle, its stalk. Now, ovules aren't all the same. They come in different types, classified on the basis of ovule orientation. First, we have orthotropous ovules. This is the simplest type, where the micropyle, chalaja, and funicle are all in a straight line. Think of it as a straight, erect ovule. Examples include plants like Piper nigrum and in all the gymnosperms. Next, the most common type in angiosperms is the anatropous ovule. Here, the ovule is inverted, with the micropyle facing downwards and the chalaja upwards. Over 80% of angiosperm families have this type. Then, there's hemianatropous. The ovules take the shape of a right angle about the funicle, lying on its side, like in ranunculus. Campylotropous ovules are bent, and the micropyle and chalaja aren't aligned. This makes the embryo sac slightly curved, as seen in capsula and pisum. Amphitropous ovules are even more curved, with the ovule and embryo sac resembling a horseshoe, like in poppy, alisma, and lamna. Finally, we have cercinotropous ovules, the most distinct. The funicle wraps completely around the ovule, so the micropyle points upwards, as in opuntia. Now, let's talk about the integuments-based classification. The number of integuments can also classify ovules into. Unitegmic ovules have 1 integument, common in gymnosperms. Bitegmic ovules have 2, which is the most common in angiosperms. Tritegmic ovules have 3, like in lychee. While in some parasitic plants, like viscum, have ategmic ovules, meaning they have no integuments at all. So, from protective layers to diverse orientations, the ovule is a complex and vital structure for plant reproduction. Understanding its intricacies helps us appreciate the amazing diversity of life on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant science content. And let me know in the comments what other botanical topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.